Okay, so this is our last test. So it's going to reference what I showed you with the monthly expenditures of your dish soap, your softened water, your anything that you're putting into the washer, etc. So we're going to show you how soap simply reacts to hardened water as opposed to completely softened water. This right here is the softened water, and this here is the hardened Regina tap water, which is at a 12 grains per gallon. So we're just going to start by putting 2 drops, the equivalent of $2 worth of soap, and we're going to mix it around to see what that gets to. As you can see, nothing really has happened yet so far. So let's just bump that up 2 more drops to 4. So we've now put $4 worth of soap. Again, let's put the lid on, mix it around. You can even hear that the water is a little bit harder as it moves around in the container. So at $4 worth of soap, we don't really see anything as in soap suds. We see a little bit of murky water. But now let's compare that to the softened water. So let's put 4 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4 worth of soap, and let's see how that reacts to the softened water. Very different reaction, as you can see. A lot more soap suds, and that only took 4 drops. This had 4 drops in it, but obviously very different. So let's try to get to the same level that we have in the softened water, and let's see how many drops of soap we actually have to put in so you guys can see how much soap that you waste putting into hardened water. So let's just double it. So now we got 4 drops. Mix that around. Not quite equal yet, so let's double it again, going to 16. Okay, so we're at $16 worth of soap. Now we're getting a little bit of something, comparing the two. Not quite there yet. It's getting closer, so let's just put 4 more drops in. So now we're at $20 worth of soap as opposed to 4 drops that we only had to put in to the softened water. And I would say, okay, now we're about equal there. So if you look at the two, something that you'll also notice is at the bottom of this water, it's very murky. So the soap is working very hard. Is also very dirty, the water, but if you compare it with this, soap didn't have to work hard at all. Again, it was only 4 drops and the water is still completely clean. So something to consider as you're buying soap per month.